Welcome back, children. This is the chapter force of standard 6 physics. In the previous chapter, I have discussed what is force uh, as a push, pull, stretch, and squeeze. So, I hope these points are clear to you all. In the first video, I have discussed all that points. In this video, I am going to discuss effects of force. Children, here, effects of force is given in 6 points. In this video, I am going to discuss first 3 points. So, let's begin. So you can see the first point is a force can move a body originally at rest. So in the first video I have mentioned how a force can change a body in a state of rest. So in here, in effects of force, the first point is a force can move a body originally at rest. When a force is applied on a body originally at rest, the body begins to move. For example, a ball lying on the ground begins to move when it is kicked. See, children, here this is an example which is very simple and clear to you all. For example, when the ball is lying on the ground, and if suppose you kick it, it will start moving. So the when the ball was at the ground, it was at the state of rest, means it was not moving. But when you kick it, when you give the force, then the ball starts moving. So here the effects of force is stated as a force can move a body originally at rest. Now coming to the second point, a force can stop a moving body. See, children, when a body is at state of rest and you are giving an external force, then you are making the body which is at rest to move. Same as a force can also stop a moving body. Suppose a body is moving and you are applying a force against the direction of that body, then the body will stop. For example, moving bicycle brakes applied, the brakes acts against the direction of motion. It provides stopping force. So basically the bicycle stops. When at opposite direction a force is applied to a moving body in its own direction, the body can be stopped. So children, I have given the bicycle example. When you are applying a force, means the force which you applying through the brakes, it is in the opposite direction of the moving body, means the cycle in which in which direction the cycle is moving, and you are applying the brakes, it is opposing it in the opposite direction. So it provides the stopping force, and basically the bicycle stops. I hope this point is also clear to you all. Now coming to the third point of this video, a force can make a moving body to move faster. A force can make a moving body to move faster, which means when a force is applied in the direction in which the body is moving, the body begins to move faster. Suppose two of your friends are pushing a car to make it move. If one or two more friends come and join you all, the force will be more and the car can move easily. Same when a person is sitting at a swing, and if someone is giving it a push, then it will start moving. A swing moves faster when someone gives a push to it. So children, three more points are there. Fourth point, fifth point, and sixth point, I'm going to discuss it in the next video. Meanwhile, in this video I have discussed effects of force in 3 points. That is, a force can move a body originally at rest, means suppose a body is at state of rest, when you give a force it starts moving. Then a force can stop a moving body, in which I have told you all that suppose if a body is moving and you are applying a force opposite direction of the moving body, then it will stop. And in the third point, a force can make a moving body to move faster, which means suppose if person is sitting in a swing and if another person is giving him it a push, the swing will move faster. I hope you have understand these points, and I hope you will learn this chapter. Thank you, children.